Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about the parameters of function or arguments of function. So you may got confused that what is parameter inside the function topic. So there are basically four different types of parameters of function. First is required argument or positional argument, then keyword argument, then variable length argument, and there is also default argument of function or parameter of function. So let's talk about required argument or positional argument of function. So what is required argument? Required argument or the argument of the function which are mandatory provided while calling the function. So if suppose there may be n number of argument in any function, then we have to call that particular n number of argument while calling the function, and it is always assigned from left to right. So for example, if just I write a function called name and I just specify the various argument inside it, suppose I specify here n1 n2 n3 also. So I just specify here three different parameter. So while calling the function, suppose I write some code here, suppose whatever the code I just write here, and now while calling the function I need to specify the number of all the required argument. So I specify here the three different argument. So I here also while calling the function I need to specify all the parameters. Suppose I just specify here three parameters, so then I have to while calling the function I need to specify the same parameter here also, n1 comma n2 comma n3. If I specify only two parameters while calling the function, then the function will not run, because the parameter which are defined while creating a function, the same number of parameter we have to provide while calling the particular function, and such type of arguments are nothing but a required argument. Now let's talk about the keyword argument. So what is keyword argument? Keyword argument are the argument of the function. When we call to that function, we assign the value to the function or to the same parameter which we use while implementing the function. Means if we suppose define a function called a, if I rise if I write two parameter here, then what the definition told us that what are the code I will write here in function. When calling this function I need to specify the value of that particular parameter. It means n1 is equal to 20 and n2 is equal to 30. Means here I will provide the two parameter while defining function. I need to specify the value of that particular parameter while calling the function. So this is nothing but a keyword argument. Now let's talk about the default argument first, before the variable length argument. So default argument are the argument of the function which have something predefined values are there while creating the function itself. For example, if a is equal to, if I create here a parameter n1 comma n2 comma n3, so I need to specify the value itself here, that is suppose n3 is equal to 25. So while calling the this function, suppose I write any code here inside. Now while calling this function there is no need to provide the value of n3. I just have to provide the value for n1 n2 and it will just take the default value of n3. So if I write here n3 also, then it also work, or just write the value, it is also fine. So this is nothing but the default argument. What happened in this argument in this type of argument, we have to specify the value of particular argument while creating the function itself. So this is all about the default argument. Now let's talk about the variable argument. So what is variable argument? We use the variable argument when we don't know the exact length of the argument. Yeah, in a case where we don't know the number of argument we need in our function. So in that case, we use the variable argument. So variable length argument will always pack the values provided while calling the function in the form of tuple, and it is followed by positional and keyword argument. Suppose I want to calculate the sum of number. Suppose I just write one program here, for example, calsum, and here I don't know what the user provided number of elements in a tuple. So I need to specify by using the star and this argument, and I just specify. I write here code for sum is equal to 0 for x in var please sum it, and print that particular sum for me. And so this is all about the code inside the function. So while calling the function, so here you can provide any number of argument, doesn't matter. If I provide suppose 3 4 5 7, so I just here provide 6 different values, and now I run it, it will give me the output. Now if I want the sum of only two numbers, that is 5 and 8, and it is also fine. So this argument or this type of argument we use in a function where we don't know the length of the argument inside a function. So this is all about the arguments in a function, or we can also call it the parameters of function. So I hope you will understand all that. Thanks for watching.